In the world of health, India has finally developed its first indigenous vaccine ever.
And this is to tackle diarrhea that kills more than 1.6 lakh children every year in the country. India has developed a rotavirus vaccine. It's going to be ready in 8 to 9 months. But the government has announced the results of phase 3 clinical trials with 56% efficacy rate. The RotaVac, as it's going to be called, could prevent a third of all diarrhea deaths in Indian children. And as I said, should be ready in about 8 to 9 months. The new vaccine has been developed by the Department of Biotechnology in partnership with international groups like the Stanford University School of Medicine and NGO PATH. Now, experts also claim that this new vaccine will be the cheapest globally.
This is the first vaccine which is produced in India from discovery to a product. And we've never done this before. We have made a lot of copied products which are very useful to our people because they are cheap. This, I would say, is one of the very few examples of start to finish. And the fact that we've been able to do it and being able to do it with world-class oversight, this is a huge thing for India. India's vaccine industry has done India proud in terms of our innovation capacity. So great story and a great example from that point of view.
Health Editor Amrita Tripathi joining us this evening. Amrita, how significant is this in terms of the achievement for the medical researchers in India and also the impact it's going to have?
Good question there, Palki. As you heard M.K. Bhan there say, it's the first time they're saying India's first ever indigenous vaccine, right from the R&D, right through the commercialization and the manufacturing process as well. This vaccine is expected to be ready in 8 to 9 months. Of course, they do need a go-ahead from the Drug Regulatory Authority. But right now, just look at the scope of the problem, something we don't really highlight very often. Diarrhea, something completely preventable, is one of the biggest killers of children in this country. 1.6 lakh children lose their lives, if not more, every year from diarrhea alone. This vaccine specifically targets rotavirus that causes diarrhea and is expected to cut those deaths at least by a third, Palki. And it wouldn't just be India, it will be used, of course, in other countries as well.
It's an optional vaccine currently, Amrita, and it's understandable because the version available right now costs more than 2,000 rupees. This is going to be much cheaper, we understand, but what about quality? What does 56% efficacy really mean?
Well, 56% efficacy in the clinical, the phase 3 trials, what doctors are telling us that it's effective in more than half the cases. And as you rightly pointed out, in terms of price, that's what doctors associated with this are telling us, that they're going to be pricing it around 54 rupees as opposed to vaccines that are available in the market that are 1,200 rupees a dose and up. And as you said, 2,000, some saying even more expensive than that. And I think it is important to say an optional vaccine right now, but for many children, and of course those below the poverty line most at risk of issues like diarrhea, this could prove life-saving for them indeed.